So for the last feature, I wanted to show you the invite feature, and this is actually probably one of my favorite features of the Pinbot tool. What you can do is actually invite people to your boards, and this will turn them into a group board. And the reason group boards are so useful is I could have, let's say I have my women's handbag group. I'm going to click on invite, enable it, and women's handbags. I could then start inviting people that are following me, and they're going to be able to then pin stuff into my women's handbag group. It's going to turn it into a group board. And the reason this is so awesome is because that group board is owned by me, and I'm going to have other people pinning into it and just sort of building a viral effect, building it out and making it more kind of usable as an area for people to find me, see impressions of my own pins. It's just really going to build out as a very popular area for people to be looking at on Pinterest. So this is one of my favorite features, and the reason I say that is because if you want to do this manually, you literally have to type in every person's username by hand manually. It's very, very tedious, and this tool does all of that for you automatically. You don't have to even search for specific people. You can just let anybody come in and start pinning these boards. The only thing I will mention is you want to be careful, because I've seen some people might come in and they might start posting stuff that's like not relevant. So let's say I invite someone to women's handbags and they start posting photos of women's shoes or just completely irrelevant stuff that makes no sense. You'll actually have to go in and delete that person. If you do remove them, I believe you can also remove all the pins that they contributed to that board. So it's not too bad about cleaning up, but that's something to keep in mind when you start using this feature. The other thing that you'll want to keep in mind, if you head over to the invite feature page in the tutorial, you'll see that you can only invite followers of your board, and you must be following them. It has to be a two-way relationship between you and your followers. So basically, you're not going to be able to invite people into this board if they're not following you on Pinterest. Pretty simple. If you get 500 followers, then you can invite all 500 of them into your women's handbag category, just as I have. Thanks.